Open Excel from your Start menu, desktop, or taskbar. Once it launches, you'll see a new document or the Start screen. Click on File in the top left corner of the ribbon. A menu appears on the left side of the screen. This is the Backstage view. In the left navigation menu, click on Account. It's usually near the bottom. The account screen will display with a product information section on the right side. Look for the Update Options button in the product information section on the right side, next to where it says Office Updates. You'll see it has a drop-down arrow. Click on Update Options. A drop-down menu appears with several options. From that drop-down, click Update Now. This is the first option. Excel starts checking Microsoft servers for available updates. Wait while Excel searches for and downloads any updates. You might see a progress indicator or status message. If an update is found, it downloads in the background and you can usually keep working. Once the download finishes, you'll be prompted to save your work and close Excel so the update can be applied. Save anything you're working on, then close the application. After a few moments, the update will be complete. When you open Excel again, you'll be running the latest version available to you. Tips. The update applies to all your Office apps. Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook will be updated at the same time. If Update Options isn't visible in the Product Information section, your organization might manage updates centrally. Contact your IT help desk in that case. You can also enable automatic updates by going to File, Account, Update Options, and selecting Enable Updates, so you won't need to check manually in future. If this helped, let me know in the comments.